We are currently in the golden age of fake plants. It's never going to be better than it is right now. Let me tell you why. It's because we're in a special time in history where AI is getting really good at generating convincing fake images. And at the same time, there's still a huge portion of the population, boomers, that will believe any picture that they see online. And that's because in the past, photographic evidence was a real thing. If you saw a photograph of it, then it had to be real. Now, the younger generation coming up, the Gen Z, they're going to be this generation that's completely different because they're not going to believe anything they see online because they've grown up in this AI world. Back to the plants though, we are seeing more and more of these types of images of completely AI generated and fake plants that are popping up everywhere, and they're really, really beautiful and really cool looking plants. But unfortunately, people are falling for these and they're sharing them all over social medias to the point where almost every garden center is having people either call the store or walk in the doors, showing them the fake pictures of the plants and asking where they can get them. Now, this isn't exactly a new phenomenon. For years, we've had people coming in the store and asking for things like purple pampas grass or blue strawberries. And there are even companies that have been selling seeds for these fake plants for a long time and scamming people out of their money. But it is becoming very, very widespread now, so you really just need to use a critical eye and some critical thinking whenever you see these really cool images online. Speaking of eye, yeah, I've got a black eye right now. Yeah, and it's because of my son. He got me good. So yeah, don't fall for those fake AI generated plants. Instead, why don't you have fun with all of the real plants and take pictures of those and share them on social media, because there are lots and lots of real life gorgeous plants.